right, so we just wait till she slides inside. Maybe gets a massage, takes off the necklace, we slide in, boom, steal it.
Beautiful.
All right, let's just hope that bodyguard stays outside.
Ted, let me tell you something. I don't want no complications. When I get complications, I get anxiety. When I get anxiety, I get gas. I don't need this aggravation tonight.
Stewie, trust me, I got this. I got this covered. Come on, follow me.
Miss James, welcome. I'm so glad to see you here. We have all kinds of massages. What kind would you like?
What do you offer?
We have a wonderful Swedish massage.
I'll have that.
Okay, lie down, relax, and I'll be right back.
She's gone. Come on.
Hey, you're not the masseuse.
I'm back. You're so tense.
What are you doing with her purse?
Hurry up.
Oh, do you like that smell? It is the Swedish oil. Oh, I hope you are enjoying this.
Gross!
My stomach. Hurry up.
Do not lift your head because the Swedish will throw your spine.
Ah, London, the help is stealing your necklace.
Hey! Hans! Hans! They stole my necklace!
Here is your map. You're staying in room 112. Here are your keys. Can you get some of those keys?
We do?
Good. Well, you can give them the bellhop, and I'll be right back.
Go.
There's the bus route. You can go around.
Do you need any help with your luggage?
No, I just have a small bag right. Honey, did you see my bag? There was one right here.
You got some loot in there.
All right. Oh, this is good for me right here.
No.
Yes.
Ted, I'm not putting that on.
Stewie,
Ted.
yes.
Ted, no.
All right, let's get changed.
Ted, no. Last time I did that didn't work out. Ted. I'm not doing this.
Stop it, Stewie. Get up. She's so klutzy. Stop. Relax.